Rashid is asking, excuse me, sir. Why didn't you add the c while integrating right hand side? I think you meant left hand side. Okay, now let me show you the reason as to why we only add a constant of integration on the right hand side, not the left hand side. So we have a simple integral here. We know that to integrate this, we are going to use the power rule. That is increasing the power on the variable by 1 and then divide by the new power. So on the left hand side, we shall have y to power 0 plus 1 out of 0 plus a 1. Maybe I can choose to add a constant of integration, the first constant. Is that okay? And this is equal to, when I integrate 3x squared, we shall get 3x. We increase the power of the variable by 1. And now we have to divide by the new power. So we are going to add the second constant of what? Integration. So we have added the constant on the left hand side, and so does the right hand side. So we are going to simplify. We shall have y 0 plus 1, that is a 1, and 0 plus 1, that is a 1, then plus a constant of integration. This is equal to, we shall have 3x squared, 3x, 2 plus 1, that is a 3, then out of a 3, then plus a c2. This one can cancel with that, and I can collect like terms by taking c1 to the right hand side. So we shall have y is equal to x cubed, then plus c2 minus c1. Now c2 and c1 are constants. For example, c1 can be a 7, any constant of your choice, and c2 can be maybe a 10. So c2 minus c1 means that we are going to get 10 minus 7. So that is what? A 3. Meaning that when I subtract a constant from a constant, I'm going to get a what? A constant. So we shall have y being equal to x cubed, then plus, as we say, the constant minus a constant. So the result is a constant. That's why we just say the integral, we integrate left hand side and the right hand side, then we just add a constant of integration on one side. I think the response was helpful. And don't forget to follow our channel.